Yes, hello.
State your name.
Aurelius Terry.
What are we doing?
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you, Mr. Terry. Please be muted. Your Honor, we
I'm sorry.
would be requesting adjournment to get the body worn cameras in this case. And Mr. Terry would like me to address bond if the court is willing.
Adjourn is June 1st, 2023. 9 a.m. Your Zoom invite indicates yes. Go ahead. It's just bond.
Your Honor, Mr. Terry was placed on a tether by the magistrate at arraignment. I believe that's due to his ties mainly being to Chicago. I don't really have any new information to present other than my office did receive an affidavit purporting to be from the alleged victim in this case, indicating that she does not want these charges pursued. But Mr. Terry was respectfully requesting the court consider removing the GPS tether.
All right, guys, welcome to today's video. This courtroom exchange starts calmly, but the tension builds fast. Aurelius Terry appears on Zoom as his attorney requests body camera footage and asks the judge to remove his GPS tether. Then comes a twist, an affidavit reportedly from the alleged victim claiming she doesn't want charges pursued. But prosecutors push back hard, reminding the court this involves home invasion and domestic violence.
Response from the people.
Your Honor, this is a situation where it's a home invasion first degree and a domestic violence as well as 2 counts of R&O. The tether was placed for the safety of the victim. I actually do not have any information about the victim saying that they do not want to proceed. And it does appear that he is a flight risk given the seriousness of the case and his criminal history. He has several ties to St. Charles, Illinois, Joliet, Illinois, and had cases in those areas as well.
Based upon all that information, and I don't have any information from the alleged victim in this case either. So motion for bond reduction or change of conditions is denied. Bond will continue as set.
As the hearing continues, prosecutors firmly oppose any bond change. They argue the tether was ordered for the victim's safety and describe a defendant as a potential flight risk due to the seriousness of the charges and his criminal history. Multiple ties to Illinois are mentioned. The judge reviews the information carefully and ultimately denies the motion, keeping bond conditions exactly as they are.
Thank you.
Can I say something?
I would recommend against it, Mr. Terry. I don't think there's anything that we can say that would change the judge's mind on this one.
Can I say it at least? I just want to
say whatever you want.
Yeah, I just wanted to speak on the tether issue. I'm not a flight risk. I work here at Eisenhower Center, and they're telling me that I won't be able to work if I keep the bracelet on my leg. I'm not a flight risk. I don't understand why they even say that. I'm here. I have a good job. I'm not trying to lose that. And then like stay on the tether, the job is telling me that they'll have to let me go, which I'm not trying to have happen. I'm not.
Somebody's going to need to put that in writing. Give that to your counsel. I did not hear that. I have all of your ties being in the Chicago area.
Moments after the ruling, the defendant speaks up despite his attorney's warning. He insists he is not a flight risk and explains that the ankle tether could cost him his job at the Eisenhower Center. He says he moved years ago and is trying to maintain stability. The judge responds that employment concerns must be documented and emphasizes that his ties still appear connected to Chicago.
Yes, I understand, but I moved here years ago.
Well, I don't. I have no idea about that.
I also wanted to speak about the affidavit paper that the defendant had sent over. I don't understand. I gave it to the public defender office. The state attorney office should have it also.
Well, first of all, that is going to be your attorney's decision about that, because there may be things contained that he may not turn over. But I'm sure with your law degree, you could probably tell him to do something different. So I'm going to continue my ruling if you are done. Bond will continue as it is. Thank you.
When is the next court date? When's the next court date, sir?
First, as I said before.
Thank you. This is crazy. I don't understand. I'm gonna lose my job for something that's gonna be dismissed. Thank you.
He probably wants to mute himself.
It's not letting me mute myself. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
The exchange grows sharper when the defendant questions the handling of an affidavit he submitted. The judge reminds him that legal strategy is his attorney's decision and delivers a pointed remark before reaffirming the bond ruling. Frustration spills over as he calls the situation crazy and worries about losing his job. And in the hearing on a tense note, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.